South Africa, Donald Trump is a leader. Some may say he is arrogant, but let's see at the qualities of a leader. When a leader say left, it doesn't mean right. When a leader say forward, it doesn't mean backwards. When a leader took decisions, he means what he says. Now, let's see what happens in South Africa with the presidents we had or the ones we still have. Before they can even take a decision, they need to consult with their NSCs, with their boards, with whatever. What leader is that? Leaders makes decisions. They take decisions. And that is what Donald Trump shows us day in, day out. Maybe that is just something we as South Africans need to think when we go polling in 2026.